Hi, my name's David Dunnage. I'm a film director, producer. Today, we're here at Lee Valley Ice Rink to film a project called The Game That Saved My Life. This is about 4 ice hockey players from an underprivileged background and their journey and what ice hockey did for them.
My name's Bobby Goulding, I'm a DP. We're going to be following ice hockey players around the ice rink at speed, as well as shooting in the dark and moody changing room environment. So there's lots of challenges today in terms of speed, fast focus, in terms of equipment moving. Today we're going to be using as our A-cam the full frame 5.9K C500 Mark II. And we're going to be using this camera to really explore the intro scenes of the players in a very kind of dark environment. And we're going to be using the brand new pair of Canon Flex Zooms with the C500. We really wanted a clean intro shot of the players, a hero shot if you will, as well as a series of B-roll shots. And we had 4 players to get through in a very short space of time. So for that, using zoom lenses was absolutely key.
Hi, my name's James Poole. I'm a professional photographer based in London. As a sports photographer, increasingly my clients are asking me to not only produce stills, but also video. Now the Canon R5C will allow me to shoot 8K 30 for video, but also 45 megapixel stills at 20 frames per second.
The next camera in the lineup was the B camera, which is a Canon C70. This camera was mainly pegged to be our gimbal on ice camera, which we handed over to our producer director David to skate with. So today I've got a very strange kind of handoff experience in terms of having him operate the camera. For this camera I really wanted something that had fantastic autofocus, built-in NDs and a form factor that fit really well on a Ronin RS3 gimbal. And for that I don't really think there's a better camera than the Canon C70.
Being an ice hockey player myself, I was very excited to get out on the ice with our lineup of Canon cameras. Being able to fly around the ice with a small robust camera like the R5C, with its advantages of the autofocus, it made being creative on the ice very, very easy and a huge pleasure.
Another thing that was incredibly impressive about the R5C today, and it's the first time I must say that I've tried it out. Take a look at these shots here. This first one is without digital image stabilization. And this second one is implementing the digital image stabilization. It seems pretty flawless, and I'm really, really impressed, particularly for high action, high impact sports and coverage. I think this is going to be really, really useful.
So one of the challenges I have as a sports photographer is to capture fast motion, and the autofocus in the R5C is exceptional at that, particularly for eye and face detection.
And finally, we have this quite interesting new camera from Canon, which is the Canon V10 PowerShot. This is actually marketed as a vlog camera with fantastic inbuilt audio, 4K 25p capability, touchscreen autofocus. But we decided to use this camera almost like an action style camera. So we ended up using it as a hockey stick POV camera, which gave us a really unique perspective. So that was fantastic to have access. And then the other thing, which I really, really enjoyed building, is I put together a ice puck rig, which is built out of a cheese plate, an ice puck, some counterweights and a friction arm to essentially give us the POV down on the ice of the camera.
I can't thank my team and Canon enough for all their time and efforts on this project. I can't wait to show you all the end result.